You're not looking to start over, you're looking for what's next. Something that fits your life today, maybe easier, quieter. That's Hillsong, new one-level living homes in Medina that offer a peaceful, intimate setting without giving up the convenience you know and love. Every home is one-level living, meaning your luxurious owner's suite with a walk-in shower, generously sized walk-in closets, and more will be on the first floor. Plus, you now won't have any unneeded, unused rooms to clean. It'll be just the right amount of space, thoughtfully designed to make everyday living simpler. But simple doesn't mean basic. These homes are anything but basic. You'll now have the wide open layout that's perfect for hosting your family and friends. Everyone will love your oversized kitchen island, and you will too. The perfect place to display a new bouquet of flowers. Your available finished basement will provide even more entertaining and hobby space. It's not just the homes here that provide the wow factor, it's the setting too. You'll be nestled among a hilly, wooded landscape, creating a serene, peaceful retreat for you to escape to. Choose an available covered porch, perfect for your potted plant garden. Whether you've called Medina home for years or are just discovering it for the first time, you'll appreciate being located so close to all the shopping and dining Medina has to offer, while also taking advantage of the low Montville Township taxes. You're just a hop and a skip away from I-71 and Route 18, which will get you to Strongsville, Fairlawn, and anywhere else you want to go fast. Want to know how you can take advantage of making the dream of living at Hillsong a reality? Take action today and click the orange button to see how this community can make living that much better.